This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the air inlet tube hose clamp, then disconnect the inlet tube from the filter housing cover. Unlatch the filter cover retaining clips, then remove the cover and pull the filter out of the housing. Loosen the cable nut from the battery negative terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Downstream oxygen sensor. Trace the electrical lead from the sensor to the electrical connector and disconnect it. Unscrew and remove the downstream oxygen sensor. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Reconnect the sensor electrical connector. Upstream oxygen sensor. The upstream oxygen sensor is located on top of the exhaust manifold, just above the flange. Replacement for the upstream sensor is identical to the downstream sensor replacement. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal on the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely. Install the air filter into the housing. Install the filter housing cover. Secure the cover with the retaining clips. Connect the air inlet hose to the cover and tighten the hose clamp securely.